Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can enable and how you can disable save screenshots to clipboard on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening the settings app, and in settings you want to scroll and select general management. From here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings, and then once you scroll down, you should see the option Save Screenshots to Clipboard. So if you want to save screenshots to Clipboard, ensure that this feature is turned on. And so now, whenever you take a screenshot on your phone, it will automatically be saved onto Clipboard. So say for example, I want to copy that screenshot onto my Notes app. I would open Notes, let me create a new note. And then from here, you can see automatically on this suggestion strip the option to paste, and this option you can see a small miniature thumbnail of the screenshot you just took. So what you want to do is simply tap on that option, and then you can see your screenshot has been pasted to your desired location. But if you want to disable that feature to stop saving screenshots to your clipboard, then you can just tap on the toggle to turn it off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.